Okay, let's learn how to increase our efficiency when we're trying to add up columns or rows of data. We could just put in the sum function. For instance, over here in cell C8, we could simply say equals sum, then highlight the range, and we get the sum of column C. However, it's a lot easier if we go to column D and we just type in Alt equals, and it gives us the same item. We simply then copy that all the way across the bottom. This works also with rows. We simply do Alt equals in cell F3, and we get the total for that. We can simply copy that down, and we get the total for each row. We can do the same thing over in column J. Alt equals, we simply copy that down. What's interesting is that it also works if we're adding subtotals. So if we go to a mid-year total here, we do Alt equals, and it's going to pick up the subtotal from column F and the subtotal from column J and add it in column K. So it's a really nice, useful tool, Alt equals.